Craig from TruckSmart Isuzu here in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. I'm here to show you a truck that we just got in. It's a 2019 Chevy Silverado 4500. It's only got 14,000 miles on it. It's a 6.6 diesel engine that produces 350 horsepower. It also has the Allison transmission, and you'll notice it's a crew cab, so you can carry more guys with it to the job site. Take you for a walk around. I'll show you the build that was put on this. It's a swap Hogg 12-foot flatbed with a dovetail. It also has stake pockets on the side, so if you wanted to put stakes on this, you could. Nice part about this particular truck is that this can be removed. You can put a mason dump body on this, a dumpster body on it, a regular flatbed, whatever your needs will be, you can put on this. As we walk around the back, you'll see the dovetail right here. It also has a cab protector, and you have the chrome wheels all the way around. So you'll notice on the inside, like I was saying earlier, it's only got 14,000 miles on it. So this truck with the 6.6 liter engine and the Allison transmission is barely broken in yet. It does have your standard features that come in most of these trucks, like your power windows, your power door locks, power seats, and power locks. You also have your air conditioning, heating, and system right here, and then down below you have your traction control, your body uplift, and your exhaust brake. Top, you'll notice your nice wide flat screen for your radio, which also is Bluetooth capable as well. Right here is your controller for your bed, so you have up, down, in and out, and this is all electric, so it's not PTO driven. Very easy to control. So I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch my video today. Please give me a call with any questions at 215-946-7221 or my cell phone at any hour, 215-939-6689. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.